Let's take a look at the number of lone pairs and bonding pairs for XeF4. This is xenon tetrafluoride. So let's start with the bonding pairs of electrons. These are electrons between the atoms. They form the chemical bonds. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 bonding pairs of electrons. And these lines here, each one of these lines represents a pair of bonding electrons. So we have 4 pairs of bonding electrons, and then our non-bonding electrons, which we call lone pairs, we have 1 here and 1 here. So really, we only look at the central atom when we're talking about lone pairs and bonding pairs, because that's what affects the geometry, the shape of the molecule. So again, 2 non-bonding pairs, call these 2 lone pairs, 4 bonding pairs. Let's look at how that does influence the molecular geometry in this XeF4 molecule. So the purple, that'll be the central atom, the Xe. Let's add 4 fluorine atoms. 1, 2, 3. You see them spreading out to be as far as they can be away from each other. But we have those 2 lone pairs. So we'll add 1, 2, and they occupy space and repel the other atoms. And we end up with a molecular geometry that's called square planar. If you wanted to talk about the electron geometry, where we took into account the lone pairs, that would be octahedral. But the molecular geometry, square planar, because of these 2 lone pairs. Let's go back. So in answer to our question, 4 of these bonding pairs of electrons and 2 lone pairs. This is Dr. B. Thanks for watching.